Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Adil and today's video is all about this absolutely stunning Porsche Taycan GTS. Today's video is all about protecting this vehicle with a dash camera solution. This is no easy task, guys. So what we've added on is a 4K front dash camera, which gives great visibility from towards the front end of the vehicle. It's got a wide angle lens and it looks really nice at the front of the vehicle. We've got a physical cable run that runs all the way to the back camera, so you've also got coverage there as well. But this system is really important because it actually records when the vehicle is parked as well. So it's got what's called a Thinkware Ivolt battery to it. What that means is a 45 minutes of driving inputs enough charge to give you around 16 hours of parking mode on the other side. So you'll know that your vehicle is protected while driving and also while parked. When carrying out an install like this on this particular vehicle, a lot of the vehicle does need to be stripped down. It is longer than other vehicles. And another thing to know is this install shouldn't be done by anyone faint-hearted. It is designed and put together very, very well. It needs to have talented engineers like our team here in Cambridge. Like this client has traveled many, many hours, and we've also done multiple cars for him as well. And he's trusted us with this one again. That is because of the level of work that we carry out. The dash camera solution, we do quite a few different options. So if you're interested in having a dash camera upgraded on your Porsche Taycan, whether that just be the standard Taycan or like this, the GTS, make sure you get in contact with us. We're more than happy to go through everything in a lot more detail in terms of spec, different options, and also pricing. So all of our contact details is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've seen the actual kind of presented finished result of the Thinkware U1000 front and rear 2-channel dash camera on the Porsche Taycan GTS, and hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.